Starting an indoor garden can be totally overwhelming. You see thousands of kits online and half of them are flimsy junk that leak light. I was tired of guessing, so I actually bought and tested the top 5 grow tent setups on the market right now. I'm looking at ease of assembly, smart features, and build quality. I spent the cash so you don't have to waste yours. Product number 1, Vivosun GIY Smart Grow Tent System 4x2. Let's start with the Vivosun GIY Smart System. When I opened this, I was immediately surprised by the light. It's the Aerolite SC, which actually has a circulation fan built right into the center of the fixture. That saved me so much headroom since I didn't have to clip a separate fan up there. Setting up the GrowHub controller was smooth. I could check the temp and humidity on my phone while I was at the grocery store, which is a huge relief. The 200W light is plenty powerful for this 4x2 space. My plants perked up almost immediately under it. The only downside is that if the light breaks, you lose your fan too, but the integration makes the wiring so clean. If you love tech and want everything controlled from an app without messy wires, this is the smartest kit I tested. Product number 2, Vivosun Grow Tent Kit 2.7x2 7FT. If that's a bit too big, I tried the Vivosun 2.7x27 kit. This size felt like the Goldilocks zone. It fits in a corner better than the 4x2 but gives you more room than a tiny 2x2. The build quality is solid, but what stood out here was the GrowHub A22. I ran the inline fan at full speed and it was surprisingly quiet. I could barely hear it through the closed door. The 150W Luma light covered the canopy evenly, and I didn't see any hot spots on the leaves. It comes with everything, even the trellis net. It's perfect if you have limited space but still want that remote monitoring capability without hovering over the tent all day. Product number 3, Vivosun X Grow Tent Kit. For those on a tighter budget, I set up the Vivosun X Basic Kit. This doesn't have the fancy Wi-Fi stuff, and honestly, sometimes simpler is better. You get a digital timer and a basic thermometer, which felt a bit old school, but I set it up in 10 minutes and it just worked. The V's 1000 light only pulls 100 watts, so I barely noticed a blip on my electric bill. Even though it's small, the elastic trellis net they included was a lifesaver for training my plants to stay short and bushy. It's tight in there, you can really only fit 1 or 2 plants, but the extraction fan kept the smell completely contained. If you're just dipping your toes in and don't want to pay for features you might not use, this is a solid, reliable starter pack. Product number 4, AC Infinity CLOUDLAB 642. Now, if you want the absolute toughest shell to build your own custom setup in, I got my hands on the AC Infinity CLOUDLAB 642. Note that this is just the tent, not a kit. As soon as I pulled the canvas out of the box, I could feel the difference. It's 2000D thick, way heavier than the Vivosun fabric. When I zipped it up, it was pitch black inside. I couldn't find a single pinhole leak. The poles are massive, full 1-inch steel, so I could hang a heavy carbon filter and light without the frame bowing at all. My favorite feature is the controller mounting plate on the front. It keeps your cables organized so you aren't tripping over wires. If you plan on buying high-end lights separately, this is the rock-solid foundation you should build on. Product number 5, Vivosun S448 4x4 Grow Tent. Finally, I needed more room, so I set up the Vivosun S448 4x4 tent. This thing is massive compared to the others. I could easily fit 4 to 6 large plants in here. The assembly was surprisingly easy for its size. The corner connectors just snapped together without me needing any tools. I really appreciated the observation window on the front. It let me peek in to check on growth without unzipping the whole door and ruining the humidity balance I worked hard to get. The floor tray is removable, which was a lifesaver when I accidentally spilled nutrient water. I just pulled it out and hosed it off. It's not as thick as the AC Infinity, but for the price and the sheer amount of space you get, it's a fantastic value for scaling up. Whether you need a fully automated smart kit or just a heavy-duty tent to build your own custom setup, there is a right choice here for you. I've put links to all these specific models in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and happy growing!